Hello, people, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to do late night thoughts of your person. Late night thoughts of your person. Please think about your person, visualize him. Why did I say visualize? Visualize him. उनके बारे में सोचिए, उनका नाम 3 बार लीजिए, so you feel connected. उनका एक कोई भी आपने पल बिताया है या टाइम बिताया है, वो टाइम को याद करिए. ये रीडिंग मैं बहुत दिनों से करना चाह रही थी, पर कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा था, मैं रुक जा रही थी, मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. I was getting some appointments, I was getting some calls, I had schedules, I wasn't able to, I was somewhere else traveling, something was happening, and I couldn't do this reading. So let's see what this person is thinking. Please think about him, visualize him. The moon. This person has left this connection in the hands of God. He has left this connection in the hands of God. He is no more manifesting you. He is no more manifesting you. He has left this connection in the hands of God. Although he is impatient, although he is impatient, although there are instances where he's praying to God for you, although there are some times when he wants you right now, abhi ke abhi, but he has stopped thinking कि भगवान अगर ये मेरा है तो मेरे को दो, या manifesting, doing all the card readings, going places here and there, buying all the things, doing that. He has stopped doing that. He has left it in the hands of God. Although he's impatient, he's left it in the hands of God. Although he believes, and he believes you will come. Queen of Pentacles. He's waiting for it. His back hurts. He's waiting for your energy, although. Okay. Okay, let's take out more cards. Strength. Yeah. It has strength. He thinks. Yes, strength. He thinks you will come. He believes. He believes in the hope. He believes in God. Emperor. But he will not come forward. He's not coming forward because he thinks, why do I come forward? Why will I come forward? I don't want to come forward. Why will I come forward? I am the Emperor, Queen of Pentacles. I will wait. I will wait. I will earn. I will do everything. I will wait. But I will not go forward. Why will I go forward? I am the Emperor, Baba. हम तो एम्परर है, हम क्यों आगे जाएंगे? आना होगा तो ये आगे आएगी, पर मैं आगे क्यों जाऊं? मैं अपने आप को क्यों झुकाऊं? मैं उसको क्यों महसूस होने दूं कि आई मिस हर? मैं उसको मिस करता हूँ, मैं उसे प्यार करता हूँ, मैं उसे मैनिफेस्ट करता हूँ. ये मैं उसे पता कैसे लगने दूं? ये मैं कैसे लगने दे सकता हूँ? Oh my God. Okay. Now your energy. Let's see how you are feeling. Okay, so there is two cards here. One is Page of Cups, and for Temperance, okay, your person is impatient. Temperance, reverse Temperance for Temperance. My God, your person is impatient, but you are patient. भाई तुमको रुकना है तुम रुको, हम तो तुम्हारे पास नहीं आ रहे. पेज ऑफ कप रिवर्स, दैट मीन्स हम तो तुम्हारे पास नहीं आ रहे. आई एम पेशेंट, आई विल वेट, आई विल वेट, आई विल वेट. Four of Wands. Now you have learned how to live alone. You have learned how to live alone, live by yourself, live with all the fulfillment. You feel happier with yourself. You feel happier. You feel prettier. You feel happier. You feel prettier. Queen of Cups reverse. You have emotionally detached अभी. अभी वैसा प्यार नहीं है कि बेचारा मेरा बाबू सोच रहा होगा. Sometimes you might think also for this person, but now you don't call. It doesn't hurt you as much as it did before. It doesn't hurt you anymore as much as it did before. Let's see your person's energy. Hmm. We have the Sun, Sagittarius, and 8. So it seems your person is working out on himself. He's working on his personality, his maybe his body, his face. Maybe he's taking care of himself. He's doing face care, skin care, or she is doing face care, skin care, going to gym, doing hot yoga, doing Zumba classes, working on himself. Also, it can be the person is trying to heal his chakras, trying to be his divine form. With the Sagittarius energy, the person is learning. He is learning to grow. He is learning to grow and to be the person, to be the self he wants to be. He wants to be the person, the divine, the gender, divine feminine or divine masculine. He wants to transform for you. He wants a rebirth, if not for you, for himself. Yes. With the 8, he's in this transformation phase, Saturn energy. He's in the transformation phase. He's impatient. He's praying to God. He is in this transformation phase. Like he is doing gymming, he's working. Maybe his friends and foes. Foes are increasing, friends are turning into foes. Yeah. Friends are turning into foes. Like friends are decreasing, foes are increasing. It's like that. His family also like चल रहा नहीं है ठीक ठाक family के साथ. More something more I want about this person. This person this person will not take a step for you right now, although he's praying for you, but he's not taking a step. And you are fine. You don't want to take a step either. Why will you take? You don't want to take. It seems that you're very happy, you're very laid back, and you have patience. You're happy being alone now. Your health is becoming better. You're also taking care of yourself, and most of it you're emotionally detached, not only with this person, but now with the world around you, with anybody who comes. Okay. Okay, so let's see what is gonna come over here. What is gonna come? What is gonna come? What is coming forward for you? Your both connection, both of y'all's connection. Okay, what is coming? टावर अभी सब कुछ हुआ नहीं है और सब कुछ खत्म होना बाकी है. ओके, टावर, reverse wheel of fortune. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and ace of pentacles. ये तो अजीब है. It seems like सब कुछ खत्म हुआ नहीं है आप लोग के बीच, अभी सब कुछ खत्म होना बाकी है. Seems like money is gonna come forward for you. Everything is gonna be destroyed, but money is gonna come forward. You're gonna have good in hand in business or something. So let's see what's coming forward for you. Clarify, clarify tower, clarify tower. Universe, clarify tower. Okay, let me shuffle this deck properly. Little bit shuffle this deck. The cards are literally bouncing out. Let me shuffle it properly. Okay, the dragonfly. Okay. Finding out and change. So you're gonna find out something. You're gonna know something that he had hidden from you. He's gonna tell you maybe what he hid from you, or what was the situation, what happened, why he was in no contact with you. He's gonna come and he's gonna say something, or you're gonna come to know things from someone else, but you're gonna be very light about it. You're gonna be very okay about it. Okay, fine, I don't care anymore, kind of. Wheel of Fortune reverse, clarify. Wheel of Fortune reverse, clarify. Meeting, talking, and savoring the moment. Feeling and okay. You're gonna meet somebody new. You're gonna meet somebody new with the reverse Wheel of Fortune. And with the Ace of Pentacles, okay. It's gonna be a soulmate connection. Okay. So let's come again. So with this person, you're gonna come to know something. You're gonna know something about this person, you're gonna find out something from somebody or something about that happened while you were with this person. You're gonna find out something. You're gonna take it very light and you're gonna heal over it. And that is the time, and that, like, the same time you will be talking to somebody and meeting with somebody, like a talking phase, like a new relationship, but not in the relationship, but like, yeah, might be like very, you like that person. Okay, and that person is gonna be a soul connection, soul partnership connection. Yes. Okay, so since it was his late night thoughts, instead of late night thoughts, I have come out very far. So your reading says, reveal what needs to be seen. Reveal what needs to be seen. It's okay. Y'all will do, I know. Whatever is gonna come out, it's gonna hurt you. Reveal it. It's okay. It's okay. Take it in lightly, positively, and that's how you will heal. That's how you're gonna heal from this. And the person is gonna heal you well. I can see with the orange color, lots of passion. The person is gonna heal you as well. I hope you like my reading. Please connect to my channel. I'll surely try to upload readings as per your wants and demands. Thank you so much.